Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 9, that is ledger and posting of standard 11 subject account. So in this chapter, this is the 10th part of the chapter. Till today we have learned posting from journal, posting from combined journal, then we have learned the posting from different subsidiary book, that is simple subsidiary book, then column or subsidiary book with goods, subsidiary book of column as well as expense. Then we have learned the posting from the cash book. Today we are going to see posting from the petty cash book. So very first we are going to prepare petty cash book, and from that we will prepare the ledger. So here is the sum number 9. Illustration number 9. From the following transaction prepare weekly petty cash book of Parman Brothers and so its posting in ledger. So very first we are going to prepare the petty cash book. Here is the petty cash book of Parman Brothers. So here 2016 June 1st, petty cashier Tina has a balance of 3000. So here on 2016 June 1st, to balance brought forward, and here we will write on the receipt side 3000 rupees. Now the next, again on first, chief accountant has given rupees 2000 to Tina. So again we are receiving 2000 rupees. So here again 2000, and first to received from chief accountant. So for that. Now on second date, paid wages of 600 and stationery of rupees 450. So here for second date by wages account, here we will write total amount is a 600, and in the column of wages again 600. So for another thing that will be no amount. Now for the same date, that is for second, by stationery, account, amount is a 450. So here 450 in the column of stationery, it will be 450. So for that. Now next is a for third date, paid carriage of rupees 400. So for third date, by carriage expense, by carriage expense account, and the amount is a 400. So that we will write 400. Now on fourth date, purchase postal stamp of rupees 250. So fourth date, by post expense account, and it will be 250. Now on fifth date, rupees 1200 is given to office employee Sri Kirit Bhai. So on fifth date, by Kirit Bhai account, here in a personal account we will write 1200. So this is how we supposed to prepare the petty cash book. Now let's make the total of the expense. So here we are going to make the total. So here total of this will be 600 plus 450 plus 400, 250 and 1200, that will be 2900. Here it will be 600, 450, 400, 250 and 1200. Here it will be 1200. Now let's try to find out the balance of the cash. So for that, leaving one line in between, let's make the total of both sides. That will be the total of the receipt side is more. That we will write 5000 here. That 5000 will take to this side, and from 5000 if we are going to deduct 2900, the balance will be 2100. So this is our cash balance. So that we will write on date 5th by balance carry forward. So this is our balance, and this is how we are supposed to prepare the petty cash book. Now let's find out how many accounts we are supposed to prepare in the ledger. So very first account that we are going to prepare, it will be the wages account. The second one will be stationery account. Third one will be carriage. Fourth one will be postage account. And fifth one will be personal account. In that we know that there is a Kirit Bhai account. So we are going to prepare these 5 accounts in the ledger, and then we are going to make the posting in the ledger. So let's prepare the ledger. Let's start posting from the petty cash. So here on the debit side of wages account, we are going to write down the date will be 2nd June 16 and to cash account as per petty cash book. On debit side of wages account, 2/6/16 to cash account. Here as per petty cash account. And the amount will be 600. Again on the debit side of stationery account, and the date will be 2/6/16 to cash account as per petty cash account, and the amount will be 450. Then on the debit side of carriage account, again the date will be 3/6/16 to cash account as per petty cash account, and the amount will be 400. And again on the debit side of postage account, date will be 4/6/16 to cash account as per petty cash account, and the postage amount will be 250. Now on the debit side of Kirit Bhai account, on the date will be 5/6/16 to cash account as per petty cash account, and the amount will be 1200. So this is how we have to make the posting from the petty cash book. Students, you may note down this. Then in our next video we are going to see the types of ledger and how to prepare trial balance from the ledger. Thank you student for watching this video.